Hi everyone, today we will learn about endoplasmic reticulum structure and their function. Endoplasmic reticulum is an irregular network of branching and fusing membranous tubules around 40 to 70 nanometer in diameter and many flattened sacs called cisternae. Nature of the endoplasmic reticulum varies with the functional and physiological status of the cell. In cells synthesizing a great deal of protein for purposes such as secretion, a large part of the endoplasmic reticulum is studded on its outer surface with ribosomes and is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Other cells, such as those producing large quantities of lipids, have endoplasmic reticulum that lacks ribosomes. This is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Coming to the functions of endoplasmic reticulum transport proteins, lipids, and other materials through the cell. It involved in the lipids and proteins are synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum associated enzymes and ribosome. Polypeptide chain synthesized on rough endoplasmic reticulum bound ribosomes. The endoplasmic reticulum is also a major site of cell membrane synthesis.